Scientific spirituality, Vipassana theory, is flawed. In the moments before his wife takes him to a mental hospital, Robert Pirsig, IQ 170, experienced a profound dissociation from his physical surroundings. He becomes so absorbed in his internal dialogue and philosophical inquiries that he loses awareness of his body and the room around him. This detachment is depicted as a kind of mental zone where his thoughts dominate his experience to the extent that bodily sensations and the environment fade into the background. After recovery, Pirsig talks about pre-intellectual awareness, a process of feeling before the mind comes into play. Like, subscribe our future videos.